Ang video na to is all about how to uncrush from your crush. Kasi 'di ba minsan parang naghahanap na lang tayo ng potion na yan, magic potion, meron bang angayuma para lang matigil yung obsession natin sa crush natin. But I'm gonna give you tips on how you can manage your emotions and para mahanap ulit natin yung balance natin between loving and admiring someone and also loving and admiring ourselves as well. Okay? First is to acknowledge your feelings. It's okay. Okay lang. We've been there. Crushes are normal. Having a crush is normal. But remember that having a crush doesn't define your worth. It doesn't mean that if hindi kayo gusto ng crush ninyo, um, it's gonna end. Everything's gonna end, all right? Just acknowledge it. Parang, okay, I have a crush on this certain person and I appreciate this certain person. But, take time to balance things out in your head. Okay? Just, okay, gusto ko siya. But, kung hindi niya ako gusto, then fine, it's okay. Step 2 is to create distance from your crush. Here is something that's quite hard to do. Because I'm aware of the obsession that we usually get when we like someone. Lahat na lang. Lahat ng pwedeng balita sa kanya, lahat ng stories na mga common friends ninyo, or, yung mga posts nila, tinitingnan natin online. What I want you to do is to stop. Hirap, di ba? But that is a step towards you being able to balance your emotions and uncrushing from your crush. The third is to focus on self-improvement. Kasi, di ba, parang sa inyo, best version na talaga yung crush niyo, gustong-gusto niyo na talaga sila. Di ba? What about you? Aren't you worthy of being crush-worthy also? Di ba? So that's why I encourage you to do self-improvement. Learn something new skills. Doesn't have to be na parang papaganda ka na lang all the time, di ba? Can be, pwede naman yon. It's just surface level. Pero, yung improvement na mas you-educate yourself on something na parang you find interesting, new discoveries, that would be something that would make you a stronger person. It would make you an even more attractive person. And you never know, baka yung crush ninyo eventually magkagusto na rin sa inyo. Number 4 is to shift your perspective. Instead of you doing all the things for your crush, do all the things for yourself. Okay? So that's very much like yung sinabi ko kanina na improving yourself. But this one, it's just more of refocusing your attention towards yourself again rather than sa kanila. Last is open yourself to new possibilities and opportunities. Alam ko minsan parang nakaka-down na yung the thing with your crush hindi natutuloy, wala, hindi ka na rin nila gusto, or parang talagang you've lost all hope. But what you do is, acknowledge your emotions again, pero pick yourself up as soon as you can. Pick yourself up. Choose to do something productive for yourself. Open yourself to new opportunities, yung new discoveries, yung siguro baka there's someone else. Baka may iba ka naman pwedeng maging crush, hindi lang naman siya yung tao sa buong mundo, di ba? So, be very open. Be calm. Kung hindi ka gusto ng crush mo, fine. Di ba? That's just now. Time flies. Nag-evolve ang mga tao through time. People change their minds. People have different decisions. You never know. Baka magkagusto rin sa yung crush mo. And by the time na gusto ka na rin ng crush mo ngayon, hindi mo na sila type. Di ba? So, just be open to those possibilities. Open new doors for yourself. Hindi mo na ubusan ang opportunity eh. As long as you're living, you are given different opportunities by the universe. So that's why do not lose hope. Okay? So those are my tips for you on how to uncrush from your crush and manage your emotions. Okay? Para hindi ka naman masyadong heartbroken if hindi ka gusto ng crush mo. Alright? I hope these tips were able to help you, and comment below if they did. Siguro, I'll see you in my next video. Like, subscribe, follow me, and till the next video, guys. Bye.